Good morning, guys. We're working on a 2024 Volkswagen Taos, and I did the services on this. It's only got 5,000 miles. I changed the oil on it, and this is a dealer car. It was a loaner car that we turned into a car for sale. And these are the little 1.5 liter engines that have all the problems, head gasket problems and stuff like that. Even look at this coolant. It's got 5,000 miles on it, and look how cloudy it is. It's supposed to be like clearish pink, and it's cloudy. Like the coolant is no good anymore. But it tests fine. And they've already been through, Volkswagen's been through multiple revisions on the coolant. This is like their third revision now because the coolant is it's not that great. And it's actually made by Volkswagen. This here takes about 4.7 quarts, 4.5 to 4.7 quarts of oil. These are extremely sensitive to oil level. When I did the oil change, I put 4.7 in there, and the oil level was all the way down here on the bottom of the hash mark. So I was like, that's not good. I added like 0.3, 0.4 of a quart, came up here closer to the top. Too much oil. Even though it's in the hash marks on the window, there's a message on the dash saying reduce engine oil level. So now I'm going to have to suck probably a half a quart of oil, a little bit less, out of here to put it right back down. The full mark should be down here on the dipstick, not all the way up here. So they should put a line right there indicating to stop right here. Customer goes to service their oil, they're not going to know that. So these are some tricks and tips on the new Volkswagen Taoses. You have to be precise with the oil that you put in, or you will flag a message. So now I'm going to try to pull like 0.4, 0.3 quarts out and retest it again. Alright, I took about 0.3, 0.4 of a quart out, and now the light is off, the check engine light's off, and reduce engine oil is not there anymore. So really odd. If it's at the top of the hash mark, it's going to be overfilled. If it's more towards like the middle to bottom, you're okay. So Volkswagen Taos owners, be wary of this. If you're going to service your own vehicle, or other lube techs or other dealers out there that may not know, there you go. Y'all have a great day. Be blessed. Let's get it down. Let's get a cold start. All right, here we go. Cold start. Header on this side, it sounds real choppy. Well, that's the open exhaust manifold. Here's the header over here. Sounds more smooth.